Sheikh, if the ruling about those who rule other than Allah are kafir, does this apply to rulers and judges or everyone in general, such as a person who owns a company?
Where did you get that the rulers who rule with other than Allah's law are kafir?
I mean, generally,
I'm asking you, you're telling me about a ruling that would enable me to fight the rulers and to overthrow governments. I'm asking you, where did you get this ruling from? Adnan? And Adnan is gone. See, this is the problem. When we have people that have wrong teachings and corrupt aqidah, they tend to listen to any Tom, Dick, or Harry and implement whatever their whims and desires drive them to do, even if this causes bloodshed, killing people, giving takfir to Muslim rulers. What Brother Adnan was referring to was verse number 44 in Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter 5, where Allah says, وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهِ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْكَافِرُونَ. Whoever does not implement what Allah has legislated in Sharia, then those are the disbelievers. So people say, oh, okay, this country, the ruler does not implement Sharia, he's kafir. Okay, hold your horses. Verse 45 of the same surah, the following verse, Allah says, وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهِ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الظَّالِمُونَ. Those who do not rule with what Allah has legislated, they are wrongdoers. From kafir to wrongdoers. Okay, wrongdoers sometimes could refer to disbelievers. Let's go and fight. Hold your horses. The same surah, 2 verses after that, verse 47. So 44, 45, and 47. Same surah. Allah says, وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهِ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْفَاسِقُونَ. And those who do not rule with what Allah had legislated, they are sinners. Whoa. I think we might need to think it over. So not every person who rules with other than what Allah has legislated is a kafir. Yes, if someone stands up and says, I believe that the prescribed punishment mentioned in the Quran is inapplicable. We cannot practice it. It doesn't suit our time. Okay, you're a kafir. Someone says, we cannot chop the hand of a thief. We cannot flog a fornicator. We cannot stone an adulteress or an adulterer. What are you doing? This is the law of Allah. Someone says, the law of inheritance is, no. Allah says, give the son double the daughter. No, we make them equal. This is Allah's law in the Quran. I said, nope, we change it. He's a kafir. But I'm talking about different things. Someone who does it out of his own whims and desires to gain worldly benefit. Of course, he's making one of the major sins in Islam for doing this. Someone who's transgressing because he's favoring a friend or a relative over someone else, so he's twisting the laws or breaking it, but he believes that these are the laws of Allah. This is a different story, and the topic is too long, but I hope this clarifies it.